God, y'all. Early start to a jam-packed day. This is already hour 3 into the day, but a lot of stuff going on. Bringing in some folks to join the family here from California today. And we're gonna bang out some of this. Then we're gonna take it back to the house and cook up for the wife's birthday. So it's gonna be a fun one, y'all. Check it out. Finally back from the store, ready to bang out the rest of this crazy busy day. Marinating some ribs, Chamorro style, island style. Very simple ingredients, y'all. Onions, garlic, the kikoman, some people prefer the shoyu, and vinegar. That's it. We just mix it all together. Sometimes we throw some sugar in it or some brown sugar, but for this one, keeping it simple. So I'm gonna get this marinade mixed up and the ribs thrown in. Oh yeah, so a little trick I learned on the TikTok. For the onions, save your face. Put a damp paper towel underneath and get to chopping. I'm not crying, you're crying. And that's it for the marinade. Pretty easy. Now we prep our ribs. Now to prep the ribs, I got a full slab, so I'm gonna dissect it a little bit. I'm gonna take this big old chunk off the top. So it pretty much turns it into St. Louis style for the rack. And then what I'm gonna do, it helps in the marinating process and the cooking process, is I split them a little bit. Now I know what you're thinking. You're cutting into the meat, it's gonna dry out. That's where it holds all the moisture. Well, I'll tell you what, if you think that these ribs are gonna be dry or bad, subpar, I invite you to come try it out. And then for the second half, take this big old boneless piece. And then for this one, instead of splitting anything, I just cut some scores. Little trick I learned in Texas Roadhouse. From there, take that marinade we just had. Then you let it sit in the fridge till it's time to cook. And you know what, y'all? So the ribs are in the fridge. I didn't even tell y'all this was going on at the same time. Yeah, so I had to come back from the store, hurry up, start the fire. Y'all remember the chicken Kellergwen video from 4th of July. Grilling more chicken for that. Keeping an eye on it, multitasking like you wouldn't believe. And actually, after I turn this, I gotta do something else. And you know, through all that madness, everything going on from the start of the morning, I forgot it's time to eat, y'all. In case you didn't know, dinosaur nuggets scientifically taste better than regular nuggets. So let's eat before we pass out. coconut baby. So yeah, y'all saw the food, the birthday lady. All for her. Plus our special guest coming from Cali. Yes. And yeah, we just enjoy the night now.
Let's go.
Alright, are we ready? Okay.
Damn it, Dan. Damn it, Dan. It's always Dan. Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jasmine. Happy birthday to you.
Only one candle?
And so wraps up another awesome night, y'all. You're seeing how we do after these past few. Good food, good times with great people, and just amazing. We were able to enjoy it. So Sefa, JESSY, and baby, I hope I say this right, Moya. Travel safe back to California, y'all. And so our birthday girl.
Thank you. Loved it. Love you guys.
Yeah, so I mean, that's what it is, y'all. It's what we do. It's a great time every time. So from our family to y'all, thank you for checking the video out, stopping through. Till next time, peace.